Hi, my dudes. I just got back from shopping at Lush. I'm looking a little crusty. What up, guys? I'm going to Lush, and I have a few ideas of things that I kind of want to get, but I'm actually not sure yet. So I'm gonna go there, kind of explore. I'll kind of film picking out different things that I want, and it's probably gonna be expensive, but I don't know, I want to choose some good things, and if it works for my skin, then hey, that's awesome. So we will see what happens. Okay guys, I just spent way too much money at Lush, like way too much money. I'm doing it for the video, so it's fine. So I just did a Lush skincare haul. I bought a mask, a scrub, a cleanser, and a moisturizer, which is like a lot. So I'm gonna show you guys all of what I got in a little bit, but I'm about to drive home. But yeah, if this is great for my skin, then it'll be worth the money. If it breaks me out, I'm gonna be mad. But my skin has not been too fresh lately, so I thought I needed to switch it up and take a little more care of my skin. I will see you guys back at my house with all my stuff. I have my Lush bag right here. But before I get into what I got from Lush, I'm gonna kind of show you guys what I usually do for skincare. It's not much. I like literally don't do anything that special. I'm gonna zoom you guys in and show you exactly what I do. It should be a very short clip because I do like nothing. Here's what I do normally for skincare. Okay, so this is what I typically do for my skin. I have this Clean and Clear Essentials Foaming Cleanser, facial cleanser. It's oil free. Is it for sensitive skin? No, it's just this. And then I sometimes, not every day, but sometimes I take this like little buff puff thing and I just scrub in the cleanser. So yeah, it's this thing. My camera doesn't autofocus, so here's a blurry picture of that. But yeah, it's this. For moisturizer, what I do usually, sometimes I do like mixtures of different kinds, but this is my staple. It's the Neutrogena oil-free moisturizer for sensitive skin. I don't really have sensitive skin, but I just don't like when there are fragrances or sunscreen in my moisturizers because it usually makes me break out. But lately, what has been happening is my skin is not completely great, and you might not even be able to see how like not great it is because I have a little bit of makeup on, like a little concealer, and I have my light up, so that could be a reason why, but I don't know if you probably can't see it, but my skin has been a little ratchet lately. So I'm gonna show you guys what I got in my Lush haul. I spent way too much money. I'm not even going to talk about the price because I don't want to and I don't want to think about it. So my receipt, do I even wanna, no, I don't wanna look. I guess starting off, what I'm gonna show you, they have these little like egg carton-y looking things. So I got this little sleepy looking guy, and this is a facial cleanser, and it's for nighttime, usually, mostly, not always. I'm not going to be using it just nighttime, but it is for before bed. It's supposed to be calming and relaxing for your face. And then so after I'm done washing my face with this cute little sleepy guy, I have this serum that is a solid bar, but it melts when it gets warm. In the heat of your hand, it'll kind of melt down and turn into a serum that you can put on your face and acts like a moisturizer, and this is great for brightening, and it's a little heavier, so you put it on at night. So I'm excited about these little guys. And then I also got this face and body scrub. It is called Ocean Salt, and it smells freaking fantastic. You don't use it every day because it'll like scrub your face off, but after you use this, you always put a moisturizer on, so I'm gonna add the serum afterwards. So I got that for like an every other day type of face scrub thing. And then last but not least, I got this cup of coffee face and body mask. Now this one smells just like coffee. So good. And you put it on your face, you let it sit for 15 minutes, and then you gently wipe your face and rinse with warm water. And it exfoliates, but it's supposed to be really, really good for brightening and waking your face up, so you want to do this in the morning. So every day I'm not doing the ocean salt, I will be gently exfoliating with this mask. And I'm excited to try out these things. They're expensive. So if you're not quite in the budget for all of this, it's not a deal breaker type thing. So yes, these are the things I will be using. I'm actually super excited because usually my routine is nothing, and now I have all this. And here's what I'm going to be doing. I'm going to be trying this out every single day for a week, and I'm going to do before pictures of my skin like today, and then I'm going to be doing after pictures of my skin next Saturday, I believe. So it'll be around a week of me using all these things, and I'll let you guys know if anything is improved. I'll be vlogging throughout the entire time of this. I'm excited. My haul is not much, but it's like 4 things, but it was a lot of money, so well, whatever. So yeah, that's my haul. I'm gonna keep you guys updated on what happens with my skin every single day. Hello everybody, it is midnight and it's night 1 of starting my Lush skincare routine. I just took off all my makeup. I have a fresh, clean face. So let me turn you around here. This is up close and personal with my skin and my face. It's not bad, but it could be better. It's been better. So we're gonna see what happens over. So this is day 1, nothing, I've done nothing. Starting day 1, this is my starting point right here. So there you go, let's do this thing. So we got my little cute face wash, dude. So I'm gonna wet this guy down. And I guess I'm just gonna rub it on my face, they say. Oh my god, this is the weirdest thing like ever. The texture, oh, it smells like chocolate and lavender. Like the texture is so weird. It does not feel like a cleanser at all. It feels like some oily, but like smoothing. I don't know. It smells really nice though, but it does not feel like something that's gonna come off of the water, but okay. Wait, what the heck? Am I doing something wrong? All right, your girl's gonna go back and do a little research and figure out what I did wrong. Okay, so I guess I did it right. So I'm gonna take this towel and it says gently wipe away a cloth or towel or something. So here it is. It might be leaving a residue on my face. This is so weird. I'm gonna try this ocean salt scrub, and I'm going to just get some on my hands, turn on the water, and just scrub my face. Oh yeah, this is a rough, very rough scrub. Oh my god, wait, that kind of hurts. I need to be a little more gentle. Okay. I'm looking in the mirror. My skin just looks very red. I'm not using that again. Like a day or 2, because you should not exfoliate your skin a bunch. So now this is what I'm excited about. You're supposed to warm it up on your hand. So my hands are kind of cold, so maybe I'll just warm it up. So I just basically rub it on my skin, and it's like a serum. Oh, I can feel that working. I feel like I put way too much on. So this one, the Lush person said it's a little more thick. It's like best for nighttime, and I actually agree. I don't know if I should use this during the day, especially if I'm going to be putting on makeup, because it is so oily. I feel like it's definitely gonna try and break up my foundation if I wear it with a foundation. I have to admit, I feel super luxurious right now because I never do more than 2 things in my skincare routine. This feels special. This feels like I'm doing something nice for myself. So my face is completely red from all the scrubbing I just did. So that's that. And I got a little problem spots there and some here too. And this is just always red. So we're gonna see if any of this improves. See you guys tomorrow when I try this in the morning. Good morning. I'm so tired. This is what my skin looks like. Was I like stressed out or something? Because I don't know. So what my skin looks like the morning after the first night of Lush skincare. I'm gonna wash my face with that bar again. Hi, what up guys? It's night 2. This is what my skin looks like. There's definitely spots that I'm not a huge fan of. I haven't worn makeup all day, so I'm hoping because of that my face is like feeling fresh and breathable now. Can skin be breathable? Whatever. I'm so dumb. So this face wash thing right here, which smells really good, like chocolate and stuff. So this face wash right here are supposed to, so you're supposed to like melt it onto your face with using your body heat, but you are supposed to wipe it off with a damp washcloth. And what I was doing was just wiping it off with this dry towel. Now I wanted to actually use a real washcloth, but I couldn't find any down here, and it's way too late. It's like almost 1 in the morning to like go upstairs and like scrounge around for one because I'm in my basement. But I'm just going to be wetting my face down and then wiping it on the towel and seeing if that helps. I did that last time and it seemed to work, so I'm just gonna do it again. In the morning I'll do the coffee scrubs, and since I didn't do any exfoliation today, so that sounds like a plan. I'll film it all. Yeah, here we go. Good morning, everyone. It's actually like, what's my hair doing? Oh, anyway, it's like 11 a.m. actually, so it's not that early. I've been up for like a few hours now, but I'm feeling really gross and just like sick, I guess. So I was thinking this coffee mask would be perfect for right now because it'll wake up my face a little bit, which I need. So yeah, I'm gonna do that right now. Okay, I'm done. This is all I'm doing. Okay, now this is on for 15 minutes. I will get back to you guys when it's 15 minutes later and I have to wash this off. It's been 15 minutes. Let's take this off. Look at my mouth. I bet you guys probably can't tell. My face does feel more just like refreshed and ready to go. I feel more awake. It was like kind of cooling. So I'm gonna add some of my moisturizer serum. Just a little bit to because I was exfoliating, so I want to make sure my skin is moisturized enough. Here, that's what my skin looks like. Ow. It's a little red from the exfoliation. It looks the same to me. So update. I got a little friend on my face. Don't know what it's from. Maybe because my face is oily. Disappeared within an hour. So just a little update on my skin. Hi everyone, it's night 3. Night 2, 3, whatever. It's Tuesday night. Started this on Sunday. My face is super irritated right now because I just took off my makeup with a makeup wipe. I just did a video of me. It'll be up before this one goes up, so go watch that one, I guess. But my face is super irritated from the wipes and it's just very red. And it kind of sucks because I just want to scrub my face with those like bubbly soap right now, but I can't because the soap that I'm using does not bubble. So I'm just gonna get over it and do it. And basically all I'm doing is the face wash and the serum. All right, good night. I will see you all in the morning. Skin update. It's getting better actually. And yeah, it's got a little oily here, but doesn't look bad. Hello. This is what my skin is looking like. Day 3, I think, the end of day 3. Close up. I'm so sorry. But it's not looking that bad, except for the bags under my eyes because I'm like sick right now. But it's not bad. My scar is actually looking a lot better. And I mean, up here, oh my god, it used to be so bumpy. Anyway, I'm gonna do my ocean scrub and the serum tonight. I will see you all tomorrow morning. Good morning, everyone. I just showered, and I'm really tired, so that's why I look like a dead penguin. I'm using this face wash and the serum this morning, but that is it. And I'm going on a trip to my lake house tonight, so I'll be using this all weekend. Alright guys, I'm in my lake house, just doing the face wash, and that's about it. Looking good. Skin's looking good actually. Hi guys, this is the last morning I am doing my Lush skincare routine, and I don't know if you can hear, but my voice is so bad because I've been coughing and coughing and coughing. I'm still at my lake house and I got very sunburnt, like on my shoulder you can kind of see, but my face got a little color, but I don't think it's that bad. But this is the last morning I'm doing my full entire Lush skincare routine, I guess. I feel like I need a really good cleanse, so I'm gonna use the ocean salt scrub along with my moisturizer that I have in this little container. But yeah, so this is the last morning. Actually, my skin is like, it's so good, and I don't know what it is, but it is looking really good. Here, you can kind of see in better light here, but like, that is, compared to the beginning, this is a really nice improvement. So I'm gonna get to that and then we're gonna recap what happened. Alright everybody, last day. I'm still sick, my voice is like not great. Hair, gross, but using these Lush products, I'm gonna kind of go in depth on what I'm feeling with it, I guess. I'm sorry if there's a bunch of noises from outside. I have to have a window open because our air conditioning is off and it's like really hot. So I'm gonna do a little bit of a review for you guys. So I will insert pictures of each product as I'm talking about it. So for the face wash, I guess, which is like the sleepy face one, I forget what it's called, but it's what I used to wash my face every night. It was an oil, you melt it on your skin, rub it in, use a wet washcloth to wipe it off. That one, I like that a lot for like an every other day, maybe once a week type of deal, just because I feel like it was a little too much oil for my own face, you know? I don't know, I have combo skin, so having that like oil every single night, every single day, like constant oil, made the oilier spots on my face a little more oily than I like it, a little too oily. But the serum that I put on afterwards, that I love it so much. I'm only going to use it at night now just because it is super thick, and like for the morning and like throughout the day my face would get a little too shiny. So onto the ocean salt scrub. That is really nice for like a once a week type deal, just like every few days type deal, because if you exfoliate every day it'll dry out your skin, so it's good. It's going to be a nice like treat yourself type of thing for me, I think. And the coffee mask I only used once, but I loved it, and I think I'm actually going to use it today. I think I'm going to go and put it on sometime today just to kind of wake my face up a little bit. Like, I am sick. I don't know if you can hear it in my sinuses, but I'm not feeling amazing, and I think that'll help wake me up, refresh me up a little bit. But I'm going to zoom you guys in and we're going to take an in-depth look at my skin. Ew, I know, I'm sorry. But ignore my like weirdly chapped lips. I was sunburned in the sun, so ignore that. So I guess we'll take a look here. You actually can't see, you can kind of see I have like a few little blemishes issues here. My pigmentation kind of did go down here, and here I had a pretty bad acne scar like right here, and it seems to be like toned down a little bit. Chin though, I have a little breakout here, but everything else seems to be normal. It does feel a little oily, but forehead pimples definitely like went down, which I don't know if that's from that, but here's what everything looks like up close. I mean, not bad. Nose is still a little oily, but it always gets oily, so I don't know, it's not a bad thing. I don't think you should replace your skincare routine with just oils, which is what I basically did with this Lush skin, but I think it is good to kind of not strip your skin so much like we usually do with these oil-free cleansers. So I think it's a good idea to use every few times a week, and that's basically it. But I mean, it still worked very well, cleaned my face. I didn't feel overly oily most of the time, unless I used it in the morning and I put the heavy serum on in the morning. Then that's when my oilier spots got a little more. Okay, so overall I think it's a success. I'm going to use this stuff. I definitely recommend you guys use it. This video obviously not sponsored because I'm not famous enough to be sponsored, but I don't know, I just thought it'd be fun. So okay, make sure to subscribe, like the video, ring the bell, do all that stuff that you should do when you're watching my videos. And I hope you enjoyed my little week-long tryout of Lush skincare. That's it. Okay, bye my dudes.